Glenn Miller stood out with high reviews and expert insurance assistance.
And my wife got on the internet and started looking and found that you guys had the best reviews, and that's why we chose you guys. Started looking at roofing reviews, and when she sees so many 4.95 star reviews, then that sort of tells you something right there with the insurance as far as dealing with them, because dealing with the insurance company is no fun if you got to do it by yourself, and they help quite a bit. I mean, Thomas and Noah actually helped. So very fast, very thorough. I mean, stuff that we didn't even know needed to be done had to be done. So, and I mean, I would have never figured that.